A very good morning, dear children. Children, today's English work you will do in your notebooks. So take out your notebooks and your pencil, eraser, blue marker pencil and your ruler. If you have taken out all the things, let's start today's work. Open your notebook to new page and write down date here in this corner box. Then you will write today's heading, and today's heading is pictures of vowel O sound words. Okay? So write your heading Pictures pictures of vowel inverted comma O inverted comma close sound sound words words pictures of vowel O sound words. Okay, now I have written the heading. Now what will I do? I will underline it with blue marker pencil. Okay, like this with blue marker pencil. Okay, so write number 1 here inside this margin line. Now I will draw the picture. Our first picture is just a dot. So put an arrow here and write the spelling of dot. D says da, O says o, T says ta, dot. Draw the next picture. Draw a slanting line like this. Then a small circle upside and downside of this slanting line. Then draw another slanting line parallelly. Children, it's a rod. Put an arrow. R says ra, O says o, D says da. R says ra, O says o, D says da. Rod. Children, write in proper cursive. Okay? Number 3 is picture of a dog. Draw a triangle like this. I think you all can make it. Draw 2 circles on the both side of upper corners like this. Then again draw a slanting line like this. Opposite you have to draw another slanting line. Then a sleeping line. So you have to draw a dog like this. Make 2 eyes here, then whiskers, snout. Okay. Now make 1 tail and 4 legs of this dog. It's a very easy picture. You all can make it very easily. So children, draw each picture on your own. Put an arrow. Write the spelling of dog. D says da, O says o, G says ga, dog. Now write number 4. Now I am going to draw another picture. Firstly, I will draw an oval shape like this. Then 2 curves opposite to each other like this. Then a sleeping line like this. Then as you make number 2, so draw it like this. Okay, number 2, you can draw flowers like this. What is this? This is a teacup, and see, the smoke is coming out. It means tea is there inside the cup and it's very hot. So this smoke shows it is very hot. So we will write the word hot here after putting an arrow. Write H O T, hot. H says ha, O says o, T says ta, hot. Now number 5, draw a rod here. Now you can draw small curves like this. I think you have got that, what I have made here. Yes, this is a mop. Write the spelling of mop. M says ma, O says o, P says pa. Mop. Okay? Write number 6 here. Draw a slanting line. Then little big oval shape you will draw. Draw another slanting line like this from the end of this oval shape. Then again draw an oval shape in the bottom of these two slanting lines and make few rings like this. It's a log. It's a big piece of wood. It's a big piece of wood. It means it's a log. Write the spelling of log. L says la, E says o, G says g. Log. Fine. Now write number 7 here. Now children, on the number 7 you will draw a sleeping line like this, then 2 curves, then again a curve upside like this and 2 curves, then 2 slanting lines like this.
Or in the place of slanting lines you can make curves also. Now in the bottom you will make a small standing line.
Draw a few curves inside in the upper part of this, and again you will draw a triangle here upside. And what is this? I think all the children have got this. It's a top. It's a toy. It's a top. So maybe this toy you are having. Write the spelling of toy. T says ta, O says o, Y says ya. Toy.
In the place of toy you can write TOP, top also.
So children, today we have drawn the pictures of vowel O sound and we have written the name of them. Children, you will draw all the pictures on your own and you will write these words and you will learn all these words. Okay? After doing this work, what will you do? You know that. You will draw a finishing line here with the blue marker pencil. Okay? See children, I have drawn a finishing line here after completing the work. Thank you. Bye-bye.